Hey, look what I got.
Swabbing, prepping?
Swab prepping.
Need me some simple green.
Swabbing the deep tip.
Get in there nice and deep like. Oh, that's it, boy. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it.
What's happening?
Simple green, all-purpose, lemon flavor. Not as good as that butter stuff you were using yesterday.
It's good for your beard.
Good for your beard.
Butter beard, wet wax.
Butter. We are getting the first CNC machine. Sorry, I still got Reese's Pieces in my mouth. But yeah, we're gonna start making our own products here on kind of a small scale, and now we could rapid prototype so much faster than before. Before we had a 3D print, wait, send it out to a machinist, and now we can just do pretty much everything same day. And we can do it in 5-axis, which is pretty darn cool. New skill set for Will and I to adapt. And man, it's gonna really change things around here pretty quick. Back to cleaning.
He's got it. He's gonna get squished.
Cool part is, as soon as you open these doors, the machine goes down to like idle. Sweet. I've always wanted one of these. Literally since I was like 14, when I first went to my uncle's machine shop. Oh, that's you, dude.
That's me.
Ha, cameraman. Yeah, ever since I was like 14, my one of my uncles had a machine shop, and it was just so cool to see these things like make parts. Now I got one, and it's a 5-axis, so we could really have some fun here. This is gonna change everything around here. We're gonna be building all sorts of weird things. Weird things. Oh, for your butter.
My butter?
Yeah, for your butter.
It's gone. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I took a shower. Came out, whatever. Hey everyone, I'm just detailing the Mustang here, and I used a little quick detailer, and then to finish it off, some buttery wet wax.
All right, Josh, that got a little weird. Anywho, cool.
I'll
We got a mill.
reapply.
Well, we got to rename it to Mill 1.
Mill 1?
Yeah.
We don't have any mills, yeah.
No, it's got to come off.
Oh yeah, this is way enough room to get in here. I think I can get my whole body in here. We're good. You should see it up here. It's pretty dirty, but that's why we're taking care of it. You know, here's what I recommend too. Whenever you get a new machine like this, you always want to do the cleaning on it, because if anything happens, you get oily, you get something going on, you can clearly identify it was after you cleaned, and that way you can identify the problem much quicker, rather than leaving all the shit built up and then you'll never know. You know, you're just chasing your tail, chasing down this thing, you know. So, highly recommended.
So what's going on?
Oh, just trying to get that CNC machine up and going. So, Home Depot, trying to get a 1.5 to a 3/4 inch adapter for our electrical drop, and well, they don't make one. So, doing what we do, just make it ourselves. So, a little super easy. Took me about literally 30 seconds to draw this up, and it's off to the printer. I'm gonna stick it down here, plug this thing into the top of the machine, and run our wires in. That's what the printers run. The beauty of having everything like at your fingertips. And now we got a CNC machine. It's warming up. This may take a while. So we got a bunch of printers. We got our Creality for kind of like quick little easy things to do. We got a brand new Bamboo Lab H2D. Love this machine. Not only does it do 3D printing, but it also does laser cutting. So we do gaskets and stuff like that. And it does little die cuts too. So if we need stickers, we can do stickers. For more exotic stuff, we have our resin printers, and then we have our Formlabs super high-end resin printer where we can do like certain polymers for very, very high heat applications. So that's what we use that guy for. And then out back, we got a CNC machine now. So basically all bases are covered with from 3D printing, with filament to resins to now full CNC 5-axis. So we got it all here. So our good friend Nick came over to inspect our installation of our new CNC machine that he helped us purchase. Of course, we did everything wrong. But hey, we're learning. Now we're gonna be able to build our own small parts. Nick will continue to build all our big stuff. This way we can keep our costs down and provide better services to our customers. Not triangle, but it's hinging off the 2 center.
No, the weight on the back of the head. You have 2 legs here, 2 on the front.
Yeah,
table it's level.
Yes.
Table doesn't.
we did
move.
everything wrong.
No, they were not moving.
Didn't know what we were
The
doing.
massive weight
We're
on the
just a
back.
clean
The
crew,
back
to be
2
fair.
legs to get the
Yeah,
square.
because the middle two are pivoting off the middle.
And the square is
Uh-oh. Yep. There we go. What's this stuff called? What's this stuff called? Pipe. Pipe. Okay, so we got this air pipe, right? We're gonna smoke it. Max Line 9000. By Rapid Air. They don't sponsor us.
Oh, that's right, they did.
I won this at SEMA. It's 100 feet of half-inch max line by Rapid Air with all kinds of manifolds, fittings, and we're hooking up our CNC with it. So, thanks, Rapid Air.
It feels so much better than I could ever do. Good job, Will.
Used to it.
That's why he's better at this. So yeah, we're plumbing up everything. We got our Kaiser screw drive air compressor, which has been sitting on the floor of our shop for about almost 2 years, and now we found good use for it. I'm sitting on an air dryer, so we want to make sure our air is nice and clean and dry before it hits the good stuff. Luckily, when Al left this building, he left basically the entire building plumbed for air. So this is the last piece of the equation, and we're ready to cut parts.
So Eddie, I noticed you're working on this over here, and you know, I manage this project, so I just gotta make sure, you know, you've got this dialed in right here. You're about 1/8 of an inch off right there. So just go ahead and fix that for me, please.
I did it wrong again.
Yep.
Is that better?
See, there's my notes. 1/8 inch off. Yeah.
I'm always 3 inches off. But
3 inches?
I guess 1/8 is better.
You're getting better. You're getting better.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
People with clipboards.
We are pressurized. Yeah.
Perfect. We got it. Air! Air! Air!
Oh, that was so bad.
I know.
We're gonna time how fast our air tank fills up with the Kaiser. 3, 2, 1. I put the ball valve in backwards. Now we got real flow.
Dude, that was fast. It was quiet. Yeah. Will likes the sound of this. Almost to 3 minutes.
That was solid 5. More.
But it's 0 to 110, it's at 90 to 110. So,
There you go. That's it. Full.
3 minutes flat. With a little bit of downtime because you were like half mast.
Yeah, I was messing around. Cool. We now I gotta do is plumb the machine. Our new toy. We got a 5-axis mill. By the end of the week, we'll be making our own parts just like this. stay tuned because we're gonna be making a ton of chips.